Stench? No, staunch means very loyal and supportive.
When we didn't accept anything, so it is called out of the blue. The example is my parents gifted me out of the blue.
Snob use a person who think they are better than others.
Cut to the chase. Get to the main point. Example, let's cut to the chase and discuss the main issue.
My last phrase is that the run out of खत्म हो जाना.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Javiria and I have come up with a new and good phrases like lucky luster means every person feel like in fast lucky luster. So means lacking of energy and dull. So the sentence is your performance was lucky luster. And my second phrase is what about that?
Stench?
Stench? No, staunch means very loyal and supportive. Like the sentence is, I am astonished about my career. Someone is astonished about their career. And my third one is enigma, means mysterious and difficult to understand. Like something is difficult to understand, so you can use enigma. The sentence is, the Titanic story feels like enigmatic. So this is from my side. Thank you, everyone.
Assalamu alaikum to one and all. This is me, Ashna Miman from Jana to First Month, and today I come up with interesting and fascinating phrases which helps us in our speaking and make us more fluent and confident. So the first phrase is out of the blue. Out of the blue. What does it mean? Does anyone know the meaning of out of the blue?
No.
You don't know? Okay, let me explain you the meaning of out of the blue. The meaning is suddenly or unexpectedly. When something happens suddenly and unexpectedly, when we didn't accept anything, so it is called out of the blue. The example is my parents gifted me out of the blue, but it means they gifted me suddenly, unexpectedly. So the next phrase is it slipped my mind. Whenever we are talking and we forgot something, so we can use this phrase, it slipped my mind. Like I am talking with you and I forgot something, so I'll say sorry, it slipped my mind. So the third one is back and forth. What does it mean? Does anyone know the meaning of back and forth?
I think back.
And forth.
No.
No, don't you know? It doesn't mean that back and forth means back and in front. It means like repeatedly. When we are doing something repeatedly again and again, so we can use the phrase back and forth. Example, we can see like we discuss the issue back and forth. It means we discuss this issue again and again. So this is all about my side. If you have any queries, so you may ask. Follow for more videos.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Miriam Shashikil from Journal to First Month and I have come up with a new and fascinating phrases. So let's start. My first phrase is impeccable. Impeccable means flawless, something which is flawless and fluently. For example, her English pronunciation is flawless. My second phrase is snob. Snob use a person who think they are better than others. Like for example, he behaves like a snob because he is studying in top university. Snob we can use with someone who think they are better than others, whether it's education, its lifestyle, its job. We can use a word snob. My third phrase is happy-go-lucky. Happy-go-lucky means happy, cheerful, and take life positively. For example, her happy-go-lucky nature attracts everyone. Thank you so much. This was my side.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Start with the greatest name of Allah, who is the King of entire universe. This is me, Ali Akbar Qazi. I am from General to First Month. Today I have teach here for new phrases. Firstly, what is phrases? Phrases are that their word to word meaning are changed, but it's give other sense. Like my first phrase is that a lame duck. It means failure, but the other person know a langla batak. For example, a lame duck may change the history. What is the meaning of a lame duck may change the history? This sentence gives the very punctual meaning. Means जो failure होता है वो जो है history बदलने पर काबिल होता है, history बदल सकता है. My second phrase is that come up with. Come up with कुछ सवाल या ख्याल पेश करना. We all are come up with here to share new phrases, to share good phrases. And my last phrase is that the run out of खत्म हो जाना. खत्म हो जाना. The cold drink is run out of. This is all about for my side. Thank you to give me a precious time. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Tahrim Fatma. I am from General to Fatman. Today I have come up with new phrases. Phrases are dead where words to word meaning are changed, but it gives others sense. So my first phrase is cut to the chase. Get to the main point. Example, let's cut to the chase and discuss the main issue. Second, in the heat of the moment, acting without thinking, uh, due to the emotions. Example, he said something rude in the heat of the moment. My third is hit the sick, go to sleep. Example, I think I shall hit the sick early tonight. Thank you so much for listening to me. Follow more videos.